Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset APN settings on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer to access the settings menu. This is where you can modify all the core features and configurations of your device, including network settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on network and internet. This section controls everything related to your connectivity, from Wi-Fi and mobile data to airplane mode and hotspot settings. It's the central hub for managing how your phone connects to the outside world. Next, you'll see an option labeled SIMs. Go ahead and tap on it. This area lets you manage your SIM card settings, including mobile data preferences, roaming options, and access point configurations. If you have dual SIM support, both SIMs would appear here, but for now, we're focusing on your active one. Now tap on your SIM card from the list. This will open up all the specific settings associated with that particular SIM, giving you control over how it handles data and network connections. From here, scroll down until you find access point names and tap on it. APNs are essentially the gateway settings that allow your phone to connect to your carrier's mobile data network. Sometimes these settings can become corrupted or misconfigured, which is why resetting them can solve connectivity issues. Once you're in the Access Point Names menu, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three dots, which represent the menu icon. Tap on those three dots to reveal additional options for managing your APN settings. A small menu will appear with a few choices. From this menu, tap on Reset to Default. This action will immediately restore all APN settings back to their original factory configuration, removing any custom or corrupted entries that might have been causing problems with your mobile data connection. And that's it. Your APN settings have now been reset to their default values, which should resolve any network or data connectivity issues you are experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.